Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about dependency injection in Typescript. Don't worry if it sounds complicated. I'll break it down into simple concepts that anyone can understand. Okay, first of all, let's see what is dependency injection. Let's start with a real world example, making a sandwich. Imagine you're making a sandwich in two different ways. The first way, traditional way, without dependency injection. In that, you bake your own bread, you grow your own tomatoes, everything is created by you from scratch. And another way is with dependency injection, in that someone hands you the bread, someone provide the prepared ingredients, and you just assemble the sandwich. In programming, dependency injection works the same way. Instead of creating dependencies inside your class, you receive them from outside. Okay, now it's time to code. Let's look at look at a real code example to understand this better. Okay guys, let's create some classes. Imagine we have a user class. In that, a constructor console.log user created, and two more class, another post class. Again, repeat the same code here, console.log post created, and for the next one, let's just copy this and change the name of the class to product. Console.log product created. Okay, now imagine post and product class need user instance inside of the methods of their class. How can access to the user class? One approach is to create one instance of user inside of the class. So let's write this code. Private user is equal to an instance of user. And again, just copy this code and put it here. Okay, now let's test it. Create an instance of post and another instance of product. Okay, now let's run our code and see what happened. Oh, did you notice that? User created console two times. And that means we are creating a new user instance every time we create a post or product. This is very bad. It wastes resources. We might want to use the same user across different instances. Okay, so what's the solution? Here, dependency injection come to help us. Let's refactor our code to use dependency injection. As we said, instead of creating the dependencies inside the class, get all the dependencies from outside. So here we should say the post class get a user instance from outside. The user interface is like user class. And again, repeat this code here. Now let's create another instance of user and pass the user to post and product. Okay, now let's remove all of the consoles and again run the code. Oh, as you see, user created just console one time. This is how dependency injection work. Instead of create the dependencies inside the class, get all of the dependencies from outside. Okay guys, let's see benefits of dependency injection. The first benefit is resource efficiency. Only one user instance is create and reuse, reduce memory usage. The second one is consistency. Both post and product use the same user object. The third one is better testing. Easily inject mock user object for testing. And the last one is flexibility. You can create different user instances and inject them as needed. And at the conclusion, uh, I should say that dependency injection is a very, very powerful design pattern. And it is very important to understand it, especially when working with frameworks like Angular and Nest.js. Okay, that's it. Thanks for following along. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. For now, bye bye.